Hi, so let's say if you have some basic Python knowledge and now you're wondering what are some ways to navigate around Python, let me share 2 or 3 tips with you. So the first tip has to do with the ability to use dir function. So let's say you have instantiated an object of a class and you want to figure out what all attributes or methods are available. You can do that using the dir function on that particular object and figure out what's happening. Another underrated thing that ships with Python interpreter is the help that ships with the Python interpreter. Basically, you can do help on any of the module or the functions or methods available in that module to figure out what's happening. And last but not least, let's not forget that we have the Python official documents that are there in terms of battery inclusiveness and basically you can find any information with regards to all the built-in Python modules, right? So let's look at the dir method first. So let's say if I do import default dict from collections and I create a default dict of list, right? And I want to know what all methods are available for this particular default dictionary that I have created. You can simply type in dir of counts and figure out what all things are available, right? So not only will you see the built-in methods and attributes, you'll also see the magic methods or the dunder methods as they're also called. So let's say if you want to figure out what are the capabilities of default dict, all you can do is go in here and type help default dict, and there you go, you get like a complete documentation on this particular module right from the get-go on your terminal. And last but not least is, let's go to the Python's official documentation and read more about it, right? So in crux between these 3 tips, you probably will get 80% of times what you're looking for. For the rest of them, definitely have Quora and Stack Overflow where you can go and ask a specific question. So hopefully this 3 tips helps you and it makes working with Python a little bit easier for you on day-to-day basis. And the good thing about the first 2 tips is you probably don't need to be connected to internet. Let's say if you're offline and you want to still figure things out, we can make that happen without having to need to connect to internet. Hopefully this tips helps you. Take care. Bye bye.